just came to the public marketplace.
Oh, that's a strong smell.
Hello, miss. Sawadika.
That's a strong smell. That's just.
Why you wanna? Sawadika. Why you wanna come here?
I didn't expect they will have this also.
Oh my goodness. Hey, what a big shrimp.
Shrimp.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow.
They will buy this. Wanna get two. 40. 40, right?
Yeah.
40.
So thank you so much,
Thank
miss.
you. What is that?
I don't know.
Ears.
Really?
Big ears.
Oh wow.
My goodness. Wow. Wow, they have so
Yeah.
much.
Damn, they got food that I never
saw
even
it.
saw. What the
Yeah.
hell is this?
I don't know what is that. Is that rock?
I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know what is this.
Look at that. I don't know what is that. It's not rock, right?
Mushroom. Maybe.
Mushroom? Mushroom?
Maybe. I don't know. Selena, look at this. The fish is so fresh.
What's that?
Catfish.
Catfish.
Yeah.
Then that's so fresh.
Yeah, that's fresh. Eel. Baby, look.
Where's the eel?
Here.
Ah. That's the eel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn, that's crazy.
They alive.
Yeah.
They're alive.
It's so fresh. This place is amazing. Hello, sir. It's amazing here.
Oh my goodness.
Hello. Sawadika.
So they have so much fish here.
Yeah.
Then I cannot
damn.
see anymore fish. Look at the
Wow.
squid.
That's amazing.
Big one.
Damn, I can't believe. I'm
And
shocked.
we have so many.
Yesterday, Chalina said, here in Thailand, they don't have fish
Yeah,
like they
I
have
don't
in
see
the
the
Philippines.
fish. Yeah.
Damn,
But
they
now
got-
I see it. Oh my god, the fish is still alive. Oh.
Yeah. Damn, I can't believe. How is that
Wow,
possible?
they
It's so
sell
fresh.
also the shrimp head. They sell it there.
It's a shrimp.
20 baht.
Yeah.
Head. Look at baby boy. I do that. Don't know.
Sawadika.
Don't touch my love. Oh,
Wow.
Wow.
And you know what's nice?
What?
Nobody's staring us.
Yeah, that's
Like,
nice.
oh, come here, mom, sir, buy
Yeah,
this, buy from us.
Oh my god, there's so much meat.
How much is
And it's
that?
so cheap also here.
Yeah, it is.
So
The
it's
ground
half.
beef.
Oh my
my
god,
God.
it's flying.
Damn. The ground beef was in the market was 90.
90.
It was 70 here. So I will still buy it from market.
Yeah, of course. Oh my god, they sell this also.
That's a, what is this?
Dick.
Puchera.
Yeah.
Do you wish you will have this also in Dumaguete?
Yeah, of course. That would be so nice if we have this.
Sawadika. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sawadika. Was it good?
So sweet. That is like a Philippines market. It's just bigger, 4 times bigger. Let's go.
You smell it?
Yeah, I smell.
Yeah, it smells dead.
Maybe we can get out on that side there.
Maybe they sell clothes over there.
Yeah, hopefully.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Benja Pharmacy. Damn, it's so nice that they don't yell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Like-
just walk.
Dumaguete
Peacefully.
seller. If some of you watching, tell everybody not to yell like that. It's super annoying. Sir, man.
We go straight or we go left?
I don't know, it's up to you. You can go straight outside. Oh wow, look at this. You wanna try street food? Wow,
See.
look at this egg.
Oh, it
Eggplant.
smells good, huh?
Yeah, that's crazy. Thai food.
Yeah. Yeah, of course I wanna try.
Really?
I wanna try this. Do we come back here?
Of course we'll come.
Okay. Later. Oh wow, they sell this also. That's the skin pork.
Pork skin.
Yeah, pork skin.
Yeah.
Skin pork. Fish. I wanna try that catfish.
You wanna try it? Bite.
Yeah.
I hope it's good.
Sorry. So,
English.
English.
30 one piece.
Yeah,
one
one
piece,
piece. One piece. Yeah. Yeah, one piece. Where?
How much?
Which one?
30.
30.
Yes.
Really?
Whoa.
You give the change. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Let me try the catfish. You will try also, right?
No way. Selena is so brave.
Damn, I'm scared. Not so good. It tastes different.
It's old,
I don't know. It's weird. Just bring this, please. Throw it somewhere.
There's the garbage.
No, I don't want to throw it like that. There's
here.
people. Woo!
Let's go. Sawadee ka.
I feel disgusting with that.
On the fish.
Yeah.
You drink this
What's that?
coffee.
Oh, yeah.
They will take the...
That taste away, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's gone now. Bull! They have bull.
Yeah, they have. Maybe we can buy baby boy a
Yeah, let's buy him something.
Yeah, let's buy him a revolver.
You want to buy him that?
Yeah, he's a cowboy. It's how much?
How much?
I don't know. 14.
50?
15.
15?
Yeah.
15?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
15?
Then she thought it's 100.
Yeah, I thought it's 100.
Yeah.
100 baht.
Open it. Let him steal it. Let's put it here. Like this.
Put it.
Look at this. You want? Yeah, let's put it back. Let's put it back. It's not yours. Let's put it back. You want? Okay. Take it. Okay.
Shoot, Papa, shoot.
No, don't shoot, Papa. Yeah.
They're so happy.
Damn, guys, you cannot even imagine how hot it is right now. Guys, in shade it's 33. So imagine how much it's there on the sun. Like 40 at least.
Yeah.
It's super hot. But we're not sweating. Amazingly. Yeah.
Let's go walk there.
Where?
There's there.
Okay, let's go walk.
Oh, I wanna try this one.
Okay.
I will eat this one.
How many you want?
Two. How?
I have 100.
How much?
20.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Selena favorite. A liver, right?
20.
Yeah,
20
liver.
baht. Yeah. Wow.
Super cheap, right?
Yeah.
This one. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do you say thank you?
Kapun ka.
Kapung ka. Yeah. Ooh, this tea is so nice. It's not so sweet, right? It is sweet, but it's not so sweet. Yeah, that's the people home, baby. Yeah, and they make their own business here.
Yeah. No, it is.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
apartment, right?
Yeah, it's just the houses. Are we really gonna go to the sun now? Let's go to the home. Let's go pool.
You wanna go home already?
Because it's so hot. I'm worried about the baby boy. He's so red. I don't want him to get sick. It's too hot. Look at this, baby. It's a complete squatter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, guys, when I get my motorbike, I will just come here. I will drive everywhere. I just cannot wait. Sawadee ka, sir.
Welcome to the Philippines, Philippines.
Sawadee ka. You want ice cream?
No.
Selena, I will buy you this one for your birthday. Your Christmas gift. You're not gonna be happy.
Of course I'll be happy.
Damn, I thought you're not gonna be happy. You're gonna go swim in the pool. Look at this. That's my favorite BMW. That's so nice. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you go. It's a good boy.
Yeah, you just sit.
Bird, yeah. What a good boy.
Buddy.
Yeah, so guys, that was the whole day. Public marketplace.
Yeah, Bangkok Public Market.
If you liked the video,
Give it a like.
give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
He's running away.